Welcome back. It is official now. Government has stated that May 5th is Proud of Indonesian Products Day. As a result, a total of 72 e-commerce platforms will provide various promotions from May 5th to 13th, 2021.
Trade Minister Lutfi, Communications Informatics Minister Johnny, and Indonesia E-commerce Association's Chair Bima Laga signed a joint agreement on National Day, which noted the provisions of free shipping for orders up to a certain amount by online marketplaces. As a result, a total of 72 e-commerce platforms will provide various promotions from May 5th to 13th, 2021. One of the promotion is the free shipping, which was expected to affect public's willingness to go on Eid Homecoming.
Subsidi ongkirnya ini itu memang dari pihak marketplace. Jadi dari anggota IDEA yang saat ini sudah 72 anggota member IDEA yang terdaftar, dan subsidi ongkir ini kita harapkan bisa memberikan penetrasi belanja untuk produk-produk buatan Indonesia.
The government launched a Proud Indonesian Product Day in an effort to boost household consumptions in the community, particularly amid the government's policy that bans Eid Homecoming in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. From Jakarta, Rizka Ayu, Maria Oktober, IDX Channel.
Happy Proud of Indonesian Products Day. Yesterday is May 5th, and the government launched the day as Proud of Indonesian Products Day. This is an effort to boost household consumption in the community, and to celebrate the day, a total of 72 e-commerce platforms provide various promotions from May 5th to 13th, 2021. And this matters a lot because e-commerce is a huge part of the economy. E-commerce gives local products the ability to reach more customers than traditional retail reaches. And therefore, the higher transaction in e-commerce, the better it is for our economy. And let's see the projection of e-commerce transaction growth according to Bank of Indonesia in the first graphic. This is the projection of e-commerce transaction growth. In 2019, it was on the level of 205.5 trillion rupiah. In 2020, 253 trillion rupiah. In 2021, it is projected to reach 337 trillion rupiah. Central Bank Governor Peri Warjio said that economic and digital growth has recently been fast. The increase in the number of e-commerce transactions is pushed by government policies in encouraging digitalization in the community and encouraging the acceleration of financial technology and digital banking. And not only Central Bank that gives projection, but ICT Institute has its projection as well. Executive Director of the Indonesia ICT Institute, as well as a startup observer, Heru Sutadi, assessed that the prospects from the e-commerce business in Indonesia will be even better and continue to increase. And let's see the projection in the next graphic. This is ICT Institute's projection of e-commerce transaction growth. Its basic scenario in 2021 will reach $60 billion, but in 2025, the basic scenario will reach $125 billion. Meantime, talking about its best scenario of ICT Institute about projection of e-commerce transaction growth in 2021, $80 billion. Meantime, for 2025, it projected to reach $200 billion. And the shift in consumer behavior patterns to online stores is a result of the pandemic, so it makes more offline stores to close. Therefore, e-commerce transaction is projected to see its peak level these days. Moreover, government has launched the Proud of Indonesian Products Day, whereas e-commerce platforms will provide various promotions to celebrate the day. The growth of online shopping indeed has become a momentum for small and medium enterprises who sell on the marketplace. Besides being able to expand product reach through digital channels, local SMEs can also increase turnover. The results of the Kata Data Insight Center survey placed Shopee as the largest revenue generating platform that helps small businesses. In addition, Shopee is quite superior in terms of promo programs to transaction security factors. And not only Shopee that becomes consumer darling, but also there are other giant marketplaces that becomes consumer darling. What are those? Let's see the next graphic. As I mentioned to you before, Shopee as the number one marketplace that had been favorited by Indonesian people. The ranking of Shopee in App Store, number one of course, Play Store, number one too, with the monthly web visit as much as 129.32 million visits. And after Shopee, we have Tokopedia with the number of web visits, 114.65 million visits. And after that, we have Bukalapak, Lazada, and Blibli. And these marketplaces give huge impact to domestic consumption. No wonder Central Bank is feeling optimistic that the value of e-commerce transaction in 2021 will grow 33.2% to 337 trillion rupiah. Other than the value of e-commerce transactions, Central Bank also estimates that e-money transactions will increase this year by 32.3% to 266 trillion rupiah. Same like e-commerce, there are several giant e-money that can be a mover for a national economy. What are those? Let's see the next graphic. This is top 5 digital wallet used by respondents. GoPay, 87% of the respondent using GoPay. And after that, we have OVO, 80.4%, Dana, 75.8%, ShopeePay, 53.2%, and Link Aja, 47.5%. From the data, we can conclude that GoPay and OVO are the leader of current e-money trend, as the electronic money transactions grew by 32.3% to 266 trillion rupiah. The use of physical money and coins will decrease because people will be more comfortable using electronic money. Using electronic money also has strong linkage with e-commerce transaction. The more people use electronic money, the more e-commerce transaction can be realized. Thus, more people can buy local products and bring welfare to small businesses. And once again, happy proud of Indonesian Products Day. And stay tuned on Market Headlines because we'll be right back after the break.